drum roll, tide hits the pier, waves sing soft while I open a beer. Palm trees swaying slow to the breeze, golden skin, she's laughing at me. I spill a drink, she smiles, you're fine. Says down here baby, time's divine. We got nowhere to go, just the sea to see. A cooler full of dreams and she's next to me. Island girls and cold beers, paradise playing in our ears. Sunset turns to amber light, we'll dance till stars take the night. Island girls and cold beers, every laugh just disappears. Under the moon I found my peace. She's the tide, I'm the beach. Bar lights flicker off the old wood floor. She pulls me close, says let's explore. Sand in our shoes, salt in our hair. Feels like forever, but I don't care. The world back home can't wait its turn. Down here it's love we learn. Island girls and cold beers, paradise playing in our ears. Sunset turns to amber light, we'll dance till stars take the night. Island girls and cold beers, every laugh just disappears. Under the moon I found my peace. She's the tide, I'm the beach. Just drift away to another lazy day. Her voice like sugar, her skin like sun, and I'm gone before the night is done. Island girls and cold beers, paradise playing in our ears. Hearts unwind, no fear, living slow, loving clear. Island girls and cold beers, that's the story I'll keep near. Every wave a memory, every smile the sea. Steel drums fade,